much because we had a long way to eat.
It's light, easy. I prefer this. I use it even in the restaurant. Only the outside.
Yes.
Okay. Then we put a little bit of this inside. And we press it. And 3-4 pine nuts and a couple of... Why are you laughing? There's something funny.
Okay.
And we roll it.
Voila.
That's it. That's the first. And then we
Too thick?
Mhm.
Egg number 2 going in.
Yeah.
There will be a total of 5 eggs for 500 grams of flour. The oil for the aubergine is now ready.
To your face, no?
2 bright kinds of flour, eggs, and now we're going to...
Not too much. Mixing. Just a little bit of oil, but the harder, the better.
Working the dough until it all comes together.
Exactly.
Like biscuits.
Dry dough.
But now it looks dry, but you'll see in a minute.
You use the oil.
Well, she wants to...
Hard, but not too much. This is why it's important to work it and to feel it with the hand, because it's... Okay, now I can do it here. For 10 minutes. You see how long it takes to fry the aubergines?
Getting to the point where the
Yeah. Almost
golden brown.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
So you don't. Oh. So this one does not go through that.
Hmm?
Yeah.
I feel more, you know.